Think about this for a moment. Why is the holiday associated with the book of Esther called Purim? For a long time, we have read that Purim is the name for the lot that Haman cast when seeking to destroy the Yehudi in ancient Persia. Haman cast lots to determine the day on which he would destroy the Yehudi. The Aramaic word for lots in the plural is Purim, hence the day became called Purim. Many may not have thought of the difficulty with calling this holiday Purim. Why would you name the day after the device that the enemy used to try to kill you? That is the first question. Question number 2. When Haman cast his lots, he left the decision as to the day on which the Yehudi would be killed up to the winds of faith, up to chance. Why would we name a sacred day after a vision of chance that we as Hebrews don't even believe in? Join me on March 16th as we look with a different lens into Purim.